After entering all the stocks, you can generate seller invoice and give it to the seller. So I have these items available in my stock right now. So let's make a seller invoice. For that, you have to go to manage stock. You can search by description, challan number, batch ID. So let's search with challan number CH01. So this all will appear here. Suppose I want to generate invoice for the this items also, pipe and motor. I do not want this water tank, so just save it. This is the maximum quantity. Okay, this is the available and this is the maximum quantity. Fine. So you can change this quantity also if you want. But let's generate seller invoice for all the items. If you browse here, that generate seller invoice, just click here and it will generate a seller invoice. If you open it, this is a seller invoice for Talagudar hardware. There is no GST number, phone number, email ID, address. Okay, the challan number is this, seller is this, date is this, the items are this, and this is generated by Bappa Kundu. Okay, the our this operator. So in this way, you can generate seller invoice. If you want, you can delete from here also. If you want, as this is one, so you cannot exceed this. This is 20, so let's make it 1, and you cannot do less than 1. Enter. Okay, so you can invoice generate for 1010, delete this too, and let's generate one for this. If we generate this, you can see there is another seller invoice. In this way, you can generate a seller invoice and give it to the seller.